सभी को हार्दिक अभिनंदन, स्वागत। इस कल्पक्कम की पावन भूमि पर मैं गजराज अपने सहयोगी
Good evening to one and all present here. Requesting all to rise up and put your hands together to welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Kumar G. Pillai, Outstanding Scientist, Director, IGCAR and GSO. Guest of Honor, Shri IVNS Kamaraju, Outstanding Scientist, Project Director, FRFCF, accompanied by Steering Committee Chairman, Shri M. Sheshaya, Site Director, MAPS, and other committee members onto the dais. I request kindly all the guests and dignitaries to please occupy the chairs on the dais. I request the students of ACS number 1 to pin the badges to the dignitaries on the dais. I request all the steering committee members also to come onto the dais, please. I request the steering committee members also to come onto the dais and occupy their seats here. Once again, a warm and welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Kumar G. Pillai, Outstanding Scientist, Director, IGCAR and GSO. Guest of Honor, Shri IVNS Kamaraju, Outstanding Scientist, Project Director, Fast Reactor Fuel Cycle Facility. Shri M. Sheshaya, Site Director, MAPS, who is also the Chairman of the Steering Committee. Other distinguished guests, players from other centers, officials, and passionate Kabaddi fans gathered here. Welcome to the grand and prestigious inaugural ceremony of the 40th Annual DAE Sports and Cultural Meet 2025-26 Kabaddi Tournament, where the spirit of the raiders and defenders will clash in thrilling battles of strength and strategy.
कबड्डी केवल एक खेल ही नहीं बल्कि साहस, रणनीति और सामूहिक शक्ति का प्रतीक है। कहा गया है, कबड्डी में दम नहीं, धैर्य और दिमाग जीत दिलाता है। यह खेल हमें सिखाता है कि टीम भावना के बिना कोई भी विजय अधूरी है।
We will begin the proceeding with Tamil Thai Vartha. The song is sung to honor, celebrate and pay respect to Mother Tamil, and it is the official state song of Tamil Nadu. So requesting all to rise up and stand in attention, please.
थैंक यू, धन्यवाद स्टूडेंट। जीत का जज्बा खेल की मर्यादा है। आइए खेल भावना के साथ इस महाकुंभ का शुभारंभ करें और खेल उत्सव बनाएं। आप सभी का 2 फरवरी से 6 फरवरी 2026 तक चलने वाली 40वीं वार्षिक DAE कबड्डी मीट 2025-26 के उद्घाटन समारोह में एक बार फिर से हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन। ज्ञान, शांति और शुभारंभ के प्रतीक स्वरूप अब दीप प्रज्वलन का आयोजन किया जाएगा। हम अनुरोध करते हैं कि माननीय मुख्य अतिथि उत्कृष्ट वैज्ञानिक निदेशक आईजीकार एवं जीएसओ अध्यक्ष कल्पक्कम प्रबंधन समिति श्रीमान श्री कुमार जी पिल्लई को, उनके साथ सम्मानित अतिथि श्री IVNS कामराजू उत्कृष्ट वैज्ञानिक परियोजना निदेशक FRFCF और श्री M शेषैया उत्कृष्ट वैज्ञानिक स्थल निदेशक MAPS अध्यक्ष संचालित समिति, कृपया वे आए और दीप प्रज्वलन हेतु मंच पर पधारे।
Okay. In our time-honored custom, lighting of the lamp after the honoring. In our time-honored custom, nothing expresses gratitude quite like a fresh potted plant. So, on behalf of the organizing committee, we invite Shri M. Sheshaya, Site Director MAPS, and Chairman of the Steering Committee to present a potted plant to our esteemed Chief Guest, Shri Kumar G. Pillai, Outstanding Scientist, Director, IGCAR and GSO, to formally welcome, Sir. And I also request, Sir, our President of Kalpakam Games Promotion Council to present a potted plant to our revered guest of honor, Shri IVNS Kamaraju, Outstanding Scientist, Project Director, FRFCF, to formally welcome, Sir. I request Asghar Ali sir to give the potted plant to Shri M. Sheshaya, Site Director, MAPS.
अब हम अनुरोध करते हैं कि सम्माननीय मुख्य अतिथि उत्कृष्ट वैज्ञानिक निदेशक आईजीकार एवं जीएसओ अध्यक्ष कल्पक्कम प्रबंधन समिति श्रीमान श्री कुमार जी पिल्लई को और उनके साथ सम्मानित अतिथि श्री IVNS कामराजू उत्कृष्ट वैज्ञानिक परियोजना निदेशक FRFCF को और श्री M. शेषैया उत्कृष्ट वैज्ञानिक स्थल निदेशक मैप्स अध्यक्ष संचालित समिति, कृपया वे आए और दीप प्रज्वलन हेतु मंच पर पधारे। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि। स्वागत भाषण प्रस्तुत करें श्रीमान जयराजन जी।
Respected Chief Guest Shri Kumar Pillai, Distinguished Guest of Honor Shri IVNS Kamaraju, Respected Shri M. Sheshaya, esteemed dignitaries on the dais, Honorable Members of the Steering Committee, dear players, officials, volunteers, sports enthusiasts, students, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to one and all. It is my proud privilege to welcome you to the inaugural function of the Kabaddi event of the 40th DA Sports and Cultural Meet being held here today at NESCO Kalpakam. Kabaddi is the official state game of Tamil Nadu and a sport deeply rooted in our cultural heritage. Its origins can be traced back over 4,000 years. The term Kabaddi is believed to have been derived from the Tamil words Kai Pudi, meaning holding hands. And the game has also been traditionally known as Sadugudu in our state. Hosting this event as part of the 40th DA Sports and Cultural Meet is indeed special, as it reflects 4 decades of commitment by the Department of Atomic Energy towards promoting sportsmanship, physical fitness and camaraderie among its employees. And also first time at Kalpakam we are live streaming all the matches on YouTube. This meet has been organized under the able guidance of steering committee chaired by Sri M. Seshaya, Station Director MAPS, with wholehearted support from all the associated units, with special mention of invaluable support extended by GSO. I sincerely acknowledge the tireless efforts of the organizing team, officials, referees, volunteers, supporting staff, NESCO and KGPC who have worked behind the scenes to ensure the smooth conduct of this prestigious event. We are honored today by the gracious presence of our chief guest, Sri Srikumar G. Pillai, Chairman KMC and Director IGCAR and GSO, whose leadership and encouragement continue to inspire excellence in all spheres. We are equally privileged to have with us our guest of honor, Sri IVNS Kamaraju, Project Director, FRFCF, whose presence adds great value to this occasion. I extend a warm welcome to all the participating teams who assembled here with great enthusiasm, competitive spirit. I urge all players to compete with fairness, respect the rules, uphold discipline and demonstrate the true spirit of sportsmanship throughout the tournament. May this Kabaddi meet foster unity, strengthen bonds and leave behind memories of spirited competition and mutual respect. With these words, I wish the tournament a great success. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. धन्यवाद श्रीमान.
Now we have the unfurling of the DAE Sports Council flag.
I declare the 40th Annual DAE Sports and Cultural Meet 2025-26 Kabaddi event open. मैं 40वें वार्षिक DAE स्पोर्ट्स एवं कल्चरल मीट 2025-26 कबड्डी टूर्नामेंट को खुला घोषित करता हूँ.
Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. To kindly give the potted plants to the other dignitaries seated on the dais. I request the students to kindly give the potted plants to the other dignitaries on the dais. Sportsman's true spirit of competition and fairness, we now move on to the most solemn part of our opening ceremony, the oath-taking ceremony. So now I call upon Rameshwaram Team Coordinator Prem Kumar along with Captain Raja Murugan and the manager to administer the oath. And I request the other team captains to come forward, the flag bearers to please come forward.
In the name of all the players, we promise that we shall take part in the 40th Annual DAE Sports and Cultural Meet 2025-26 Kabaddi event with joy in sport and dignity in spirit, respecting and abiding by the rules that govern it, honoring our opponents, teammates, managers, officials, hosts, and all those associated with the meet, celebrating opportunities to create friendship and learn from our experience, competing in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our organizing units and DAE Sports and Cultural Council for the glory of sports. Jai Hind.